It's just not worth it. Goodbye, everyone. Remember you all in therapy.
You gonna try and stand up? Yay! Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Right. You were thinking about pulling yourself up. Of course, until I took the camera out. Hey! Are you going to stand up? Are you going to stand up? Yay!
How's yours?
Just a minute.
Oh. Whoa, whoa.
I could have sworn I was laying on my back.
Oh. Oh. What should do over here? This one. Over here. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, Mr. Temper. I'm sorry I touched you. You're in a mission. Oh, what do you see? No, she didn't come see you.
You guys are way too old and unsightly for my beach, and I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
So polite. Just like we raised him. What a guy.
Whoa.
He's so popular. Just imagine if I were
Whoa.
like guy.
You want to go. You just want to get up and go.
That would be so cool.
So, what do you want to be a lifeguard for? Nobody really likes those guys. Being a lifeguard,
What are you going to do?
all they do is blow, blow,
Are you stuck? What happened? Do you need some help? Alright, looks like I gotta stop the camera.